Hola, this is Casa Loma Bonita on Calle Loma Bonita in Bacocho, Puerto Escondido, Oaxaca, Mexico. This is Hotel Via Sol, right across the street. They have a beach club at the bottom of the hill. You just walk right down that hill where that sign is, and it's an amazing beach club. It's about 300 pesos a day, so $15. You can lounge at the pool and beach all day, and all you have to do is eat 300 pesos worth of food or drink. So this is Loma Bonita. 2 locked gates. There's a gate for C and a gate for A and B. They both go into the same courtyard. Casita A is around the corner there. This is Casita B, which is a 2-bedroom apartment. It has a kitchen, sitting area downstairs, bedroom and bathroom downstairs, and then upstairs you have the whole terrace up there. That's the whole length of the house. It's really an amazing terrace with hammocks and privacy screens. It's rented for the month of February though. And this is Casita C, which is adorable. Again, it has a locked iron door inside the gate. Screens on all the windows. Come into C. You have a little sitting area, a little kitchen, a nice big bedroom with 2 matrimonial beds and an air conditioner and a huge closet and bureau. And a bathroom with amazing shower pressure. That's the best shower in the whole house. Oops. Out here, you have just a little laundry area, just a washing machine, place to hang your towels and stuff. Those stairs go up to the terrace of B, and that door goes to our kitchen where we live. So that is Casita C at Loma Bonita.